Hello traders and welcome to our daily QQQ Analysis class on Tuesday, April 16th of 2013. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program, and I do truly apologize for the long break that we had here, but I was out on vacation for a month and had major computer issues. It was no fun. But I am back to work now and everything should be back on schedule. So keep your eyes on the daily videos that I'll be posting for you beginning today. So now let's get into some fun and let's get into our technical analysis. So let's take a look at the Q's daily chart to see what is happening at this moment. Wow, look at this beautiful channel that we've been in for quite some time. We are hitting that area of resistance, pulling back down to this area of support, pushing it all the way up back to that area of resistance at 68.99, couldn't sustain it, pushed it all the way back down to the 50-day moving average, stayed at the 68.99 mark for quite some time, and then we finally broke outside of that lower trend line, which was acted as a pretty significant area of support, and also below the 50-day moving average, which is very important, and it was very important area of support as well. We can sustain that low here, can go any lower, and we pushed it all the way back up inside that channel, and we continued higher to that upper area of resistance up here, 70.02 mark. Again, couldn't sustain that high, and we pushed it and pulled it all the way down with that bloody day that we had on the markets yesterday with some great opportunities. I hope you took advantage of some of them. And we were trying to go back up to this area of support down here at 68.25. Didn't make it there quite some, but we pushed it all the way back up above not only the 8 moving average, which is here in green, but also the 68.99. We closed above it, which means that we could continue higher to that 70.02 mark again. But what needs to happen is we need to have another update here tomorrow with a higher high than the high that we had here today at 69.55. So watch that high really closely. If we do ever break through the high of 69.55 tomorrow and close the day higher, we could try to get back up to that 70.02 mark. So watch this area of resistance very, very closely. But if we do instead pull back down again, continuing lower, we could try to get back down to that lower area support. Down here we see this blue thick line and also the 68.25 mark. Those areas are very significant, very important for you to watch, because not only the 68.25 is important here, the area of support that we are talking about, but also the 50-day moving average, which is slightly below. Those two areas are very significant area of support, and the 70.02 mark is a significant area of resistance. So watch those areas very closely. Make sure you have them on your chart, and also remember to pay close attention to the MACD. Make sure that it's confirming everything that's happening on the Qs, and also the volume. You should already know this, and you should remember to also pay close attention to the volume. Make sure that it's confirming everything we see happening over there. All right, so that's all that I had for you for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. It feels so good to be back posting videos for you. So I hope you enjoyed it again. Safe trading to you, and I will see you back again in class tomorrow.